Oh, too bad. I had to check the calendar seeing that freeze warning. You always say wait until after Mother's Day to plant, Mike.
Been saying that for a third of a century.
That's right.
Don't plant the tender veggies until after Mother's Day, because it happens all the time. But you can take those tips and you'll probably be okay.
All right.
Just a little extra work. And you can see that freeze watch all across northeast Colorado. We have snow advisory still up in the mountains. Then it's fire and wind across southeastern Colorado. A very colorful map. Such is early May on the high plains. A little snow lingers in the mountains, a few rain showers out on the eastern plains. Our weather headlines, it's going to be windy and cool all week long. Mountain snow showers, some rain showers on the plains. At times, the winds will be strong and gusty, but not as bad as they were today. 66 was the high right after midnight. 49 has been the low so far. Averages are 67 and 40. Right now, it is 49 at the airport. 50 downtown. Rising pressure. Winds are only out of the west at 13 miles per hour. Windy and cool though again tomorrow morning, but things won't be roaring quite as bad as they were this morning. About 53 by 11 a.m. As far as the weather conditions, this is what we're expecting for the next couple of days. This is the jet stream up at about 30,000 feet. Winds about 125 miles per hour up there. And so when you have those strong winds aloft, you oftentimes stir up a lot of windy weather down here as well. And out ahead of the nose of that jet, as we call it, severe thunderstorms. Lots of tornado watches and several warnings today. Behind it, we will continue to have snow showers in the mountains, windy and cool on the plains. Morning lows will be 30s and low 40s at lower elevations, 20s and low 30s expected in the mountains. There will be some snow showers early in the high country, windy and cool but dry on the plains. Those snow showers will linger in the mountains to midday. Rain showers, a few of them on the plains. Later in the day, a little bit of clearing along the I-25 corridor, but still windy and cool. Mountains continue to get some snow showers. 30s and low 40s in the mountains, 50s to low 60s on the plains. It will be a bit warmer down to the south and east. They're ahead of another little surge of cool air coming in. So we're going to stay on the cool side of these fronts for the next several days, and areas of low pressure will move along them, and that's going to keep us unsettled right on into Friday. And then finally over the weekend, milder weather will start to return early May. 58, windy and cool. Tomorrow, partly cloudy. It'll be chilly Wednesday. We'll start at 32, get up to 60. Some showers return Thursday and 57. Still cool and mostly cloudy Friday. Then finally, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, back to 65 to 70 with a more typical May forecast of morning sun, then a few afternoon storms. Sports is coming up next. We'll be right back.